Are you using a professional domain for your business email? Have you protected your domain so that scammers can't exploit it by pretending to be you? Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem. Setting up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC are essential steps for protecting your business's email domain from unauthorized use. These acronyms stand for authentications and policies that email service providers check for to make sure your emails are legit and can reach your clients' inboxes instead of their spam folders. Unfortunately, email spoofing and phishing attacks are rampant these days, and they can damage your company's reputation. SPF, DKIM, and DMARC are the three pillars of modern email security, working together to verify sender identity and the integrity of email messages. SPF stands for Sender Policy Framework. It's an email authentication method designed to prevent spoofing, also known as sender address forgery, and help receiving email servers identify fake messages that appear to be coming from your company. If an email comes from a server not listed in your SPF record, it is flagged as suspicious. DKIM, which stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail, is the next authentication you will want to set up. This adds another layer of security for your messages by adding a unique digital signature to your emails that lets the receiving email server check that the sender is really your domain and that the message was not changed after sending. Don't forget to set up DKIM for each of your tools that send email. Finally, DMARC, which stands for Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting, and Conformance, dictates what receiving email servers should do if a message fails SPF or DKIM authentication. These authentications and policies are not just technical details. They ensure deliverability and also build trust in your domain and business. If you need any help with setting these up, KloudGem is here to assist. Feel free to reach out to us through our website, www.cloudgem.com. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.